Well, it's open enrollment time, so if you have Medicare health insurance or a prescription drug plan, listen up. Joining us now is Nancy O'Connor. She is a regional administrator for CMS Philadelphia. She's here to talk about Medicare enrollment. Thanks for being here. I want to start with, when does Medicare open enrollment end?
Well, Medicare open enrollment ends December 7th, so that's right around the corner. And right now we're in the Medicare open enrollment period, which means that Medicare beneficiaries across the country have from October 15th to December 7th to take a look at the healthcare options that are out there and available to them to see if they want to make a change to their healthcare coverage for next year. And you know, every single year, health plans change, so they can change their costs, their coverage, the doctors that are in their network or the hospitals. So it's a really important time for Medicare beneficiaries to take a look and see if they want to make any changes.
So what do they need to do during this time?
We have plenty of tools out there.
I'm sorry, go ahead, Nancy.
So what they need to do is they really need to think about what matters most to them. So is it cost? You know, are they happy with what they're paying for their health plan right now? Coverage of benefits, do they like the benefits, and does their plan offer the benefits that they need? And then shop around. You know, get on our plan finder on Medicare.gov, where you can actually list out health and drug plans in your area, Medicare Advantage plans that is, and compare them against original Medicare and see if there's any other plan out there that brings you more value. You know, the Medicare Advantage plans oftentimes will offer benefits over and above original Medicare. So get on to Medicare.gov, search for that plan finder. It's a popular tool, and you can compare your Medicare health and drug plans on that site. We also have state health insurance assistance program counselors in your local area. Again, if you get onto Medicare.gov, you can find a counselor in your area if you want to sit down with someone face-to-face to help you navigate through the options that are available. We have our 1-800-Medicare call center that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can give them a call, again, 1-800-Medicare, and a customer service rep will talk to you and speak with you about the options that are available. So it's an important time right now. December 7th is the deadline, and for more information, you can go to Medicare.gov. That's your site, your federal government site that gives you information about the Medicare program, the Medicare Advantage plans that are available to you, and you know, you can find out more about your options and whether or not you want to make any kinds of changes to your health care coverage for next year.
Okay, Nancy, and as we wrap up real quick, what happens if people miss this deadline?
Well, you know, if you miss that December 7th deadline, you're really out of luck for next year's coverage. You know, you have to wait a whole year before we have the open enrollment period again next year.
All right, so we don't want to do that. Nancy O'Connor, thank you so much for being here with us and sharing all that important information. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.